Hi, this is your data. In this data, first I will tell you how you can calculate the reliability. And then I will also tell you how can you conduct a validity, construct validity. Construct validity can be calculated using factor analysis. So first let's move to the reliability. For reliability, go to analysis, and go to scale. Under the scale, click on reliability analysis. Under the reliability analysis, these are your list of variables in SPSS. These are the choices and these are the scores which you reported. So you can calculate the reliability of the scores. Click here and then click on statistics. In statistics, you will see certain options. First, click on scale if item deleted. This is good. This provide good information, and also you can check this item rater correlation. So I'll simply press continue and then OK. In OK, this is the Cronbach alpha reliability. Reliability statistics Cronbach alpha 0.466 of these all 8 items. And you notice that we also selected the if item deleted. So this is if item deleted, then this will be the reliability. Yes, this is item correlation. Yes, this is Cronbach alpha if item deleted. So Cronbach alpha if item deleted. So you will see that all are good number, which means all items are relatively good items. But overall the reliability is relatively low because the cutoff is usually 0.7. If reliability is 0.7 above, it consider good instrument. Less than 0.7 is considered not good reliable instrument. So this is how you can report and assess this reliability. And this is a correlation matrix. This gives additional information which tell which item related to which item. Okay, so this is how you can do Cronbach alpha reliability analysis. Now next step is validity. For criterion validity, you must have a set of questionnaire of a different scale so that you can see the relationship between your instrument, translated instrument, and another standardized instrument. But unfortunately, you don't have the data on another instrument. You just have the data on this instrument. So we can run a factor analysis. For factor analysis, go to analysis. And this is dimension reduction. In dimension reduction, you will go to the factors. In the factor, I selected all 8 variables. Okay. These are the descriptive rotation and options. So under the options, under the scores, rotation, varimax rotations, and in the options, I will select surface small coefficients 0.3. So in the scores, in the rotations, I select varimax rotations and rest remain the same. Under the options, I select surface small coefficient, which means I don't want to see the values which is less than 0.3. Press continue and then press OK. Now this factor analysis shows, like initially, if I let me pull your, this is actually your 8 items. In 8 items, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scale or 5 domains. The factor analysis tells that which domain fall in which scale item would fall in which domain. So if you see that this factor analysis produce 5 domains, 5 components, which means these 8 items can be represented by 5 component or 5 domain, which means construct validity can be established. Here is rotated component matrix. Rotated component matrix tell, so this is first item. First item is related to domain 1, 2, and 3. This is second item related to domain 2. So similarly, every item can be rotated on a particular domain. So when you report it, you can write this, you can copy this table, and you can report that these 5 domains can be extracted from these 8 items. So this shows the construct validity of the questionnaire. So I hope you got it. Let me know if you have any question.